And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and it's November. It's really dreary, so I drive down into the resort, avoiding the local animals, have a look at one of the big new developments under construction, a very busy area of Sunny Beach, then Flower Street and the front, the beach. Oh, it's really empty, very, very quiet. And Dobaden from Koshevitz, just outside Sunny Beach. I'm actually at my home at the moment, finishing off coffee, looking at Sunny Beach in the distance, and we've got some rolling sort of mist and cloud today. Been a bit of a damp week. Filmed a few days ago in the sunshine, did a couple of videos. It was absolutely gorgeous, beginning of November. But it's been a wet week now, so hopefully that's coming to an end. The weather's going to improve. But anyway, let's go and have a look at the resort today. After a quick word, I've had loads of messages about what's happening in January, and that is that the lev, Bulgarian lev, is going to go, and it's going to be the euro, and people are panicking and terrified what they're going to do with their holidays next year. Well, the lev has been fixed to the euro for 25 years now. It's just a straight swap. The only thing that people are worried about prices shooting up. Well, the spikes that there have been have already happened, and that's because people with lots and lots of money under the mattress or hidden cash, they've got to get rid of it. So there's been a lot of speculative property buying, luxury goods, and obviously you're going to buy a luxury car or a yacht or something if you've got a lot of money sitting there that you're going to lose because it's going to be valueless in January. So it's been a rather a strange time. But prices shouldn't, most of the increases that have been there should be in place now because everything is now priced in euro. There you go. The bad side of this, folks, is that when I look at my bank statement now, it was in lev. It's now got euros and lev on it, and basically in euros I've got half the money in the bank that I used to have. So join me on a quick drive down to Sunny Beach. It's only a few minutes from my home, not far at all. But we start off in the village. In Bulgaria, a lot of stray dogs, no problem. Local residents do feed them, they have their own little homes. The council take them and give them a health check, sterilise them and neuter them and put them back where they belong, because putting them in a kennel, nobody wants them in the kennels. They'd have to be destroyed eventually, so it's probably better to let them back where they come from. And here we go, here's another one. Some of these dogs don't like moving, like this one here is sat in the road there, he's chewing something. He doesn't want to move if I drive around him. So if you are here, do not speed in the villages. Like this, you can find a dog sitting there. It could be a cow, a horse, anything in the road, so just take your time. These two speed bumps just here to slow the traffic, and this year they put loads more speed bumps in, speed ramps, and slowed this road right down, made it a lot safer, because to the left and right here there are these abandoned developments sat there for several years and nothing happened to them. Because property prices have jumped, demand has gone through the skyrocketed. It's worth now finishing off these developments. One to my left now, this ever since we came to Bulgaria this last year, they've completed that. The front row there, they've finished that. That's half built. The second row was half built, they finished that. And they're now putting more in as well, extended it. It's going to be much, much bigger now. do find the driving in Bulgaria a bit strange, because they are on the phone the entire time. Virtually everybody's holding their phone. Wherever else we drive, nobody does that, because the police are straight on you all the time. But they're always on the phone here. It's quite crazy. And sometimes you'll see them drinking a cup of coffee. And smoking a cigarette at the same time. It's like 3 hands worth. So the last couple of years, me and Susan each year have done a film of showing the new complexes and the building going on at the back of the resort. There's so much construction. Of course, since we first started doing them, prices have skyrocketed. Demand has gone through this, well, unbelievable demand for them. They're selling them as soon as they come on the market. It's crazy. And prices are doubled or tripled very quickly in 2 or 3 years. It's amazing. Behind me is one we've filmed for the last 2 years, which is a new Harmony suite there at the back. 2 years ago, I filmed it with the diggers in, and they were putting the footings in. It's a massive one. It is really, really big. And you can see now they're really getting on with it. It's going to be fantastic when it's finished. But I know I've had messages from people who've actually put the deposits on and started buying them. They're hoping to get in there by the end of 2026. I hope they do make it. It does look absolutely amazing. It's going to have a rooftop pool up there, apparently. It's going to be amazing. And you can swim through the building. I don't know if I ever want to swim through a building, but there you go. That's going to be in there, I think. Plans look fantastic. Whether they always turn out like the plans is another thing. Although Harmony Suite is one of the few companies and sweet homes where the vision that you first see in the advert is near enough what you'll end up with. But obviously some of the artists' impressions are just impressions. Finished building looks nothing like what it was designed as. But there you go. That's Harmony Suite. That's a new one. Go take a quick look at that one. Along the main road here, there's a number of massive new complexes being built. I just noticed one last night. I was coming home from Bulgaria, so I've been shopping yesterday. As I was coming home, they put the lights on for the first time, noticing it lit up. So behind me is a Carrefour, and it's closed. Most supermarkets away from the centre are now shut. And when we were buying an apartment, when we came over, the agents were very good. And they said to us, look, if you want to come off season, if you want to come beginning of May, or you want to come right at the end of September, going into October, maybe for a late break, it's very important that you can get an apartment near to the centre if you can, because then you've got shops, you've got facilities, you've got places open. Going right at the back of the resort, you're going to find it's a long walk to a shop. There's certainly probably going to be nowhere to have a drink in the evening if you want to go out, even if you come in the winter. The resident population is quite low in Sunny Beach for the amount of apartments, actually quite low. So last year, me and Susan were filming up here behind the Royal Sun, and we went in here for a coffee, for refresh, because everybody's excited about it. It was open all year. There you go, it's now shut. So I don't think trading all year worked for this one. Just depends how many people are actually living where your restaurant or bar is located. Generally, away from the front, there aren't many places open. Even though quite a few live in Royal Sun. It's a very, very big complex. Obviously not enough for coming down there to maintain this business at the back. So I'm actually taking off and flying from the same place I did last time with Susan last year, exactly the same spot. Like that. I think it was quite dry when we filmed it last year. Well, I've now flown my route for that last shot, and I'm going to set the waypoints now for the heights and where it's going to look. So 5 minutes, sat in the car, I can sort this out now before I fly again. And this is my pre-programmed flight on the drone. I'm not actually touching the controls here, it's flying itself. It's amazing, isn't it? So this is the front of the building, and just look at all those materials stacked up there. They're really throwing some workers at this, getting this one finished for 2026, hopefully. And then you get a view of the apartment zone at the back here. You can see there are just so many apartments at the rear of Sunny Beach, away from the hotels. It's got a really big footprint, an unusual shape, this complex as well. I'm now going to fly back up the road here, just a couple of minutes, to actually where I'm standing. On the front of this little park, and you can see my car coming up in a moment. And me standing there as well. And if you're enjoying the video, Nitisni Butona, hit the like button. Really helps spread the video to more people. Thanks a lot. So I'm now in one of the busy, just coming back from the new Harmony Suites there, 5 minutes in the car. I'm in one of the busiest parts of Sunny Beach. Now, most people refer to this by the name of the supermarket. There you go, the red one behind me. Actually, the area is actually Tarantula, like the spider. There's a restaurant there years ago, had a big spider on it on the side. It's Tarantula restaurant. But if you're picking a parcel up from Speedy, which I do quite often, there's a little collection office up there, and now I put it, it's Tarantula Zone. So this is Tarantula. It's not named after the supermarket, though everybody you meet will say, oh, it's round here by that supermarket. But it's really busy, loads and loads of cars. It's always hard to park here. There's little grills open, which is great. There's bakeries, grills, and there's also a couple of like pound shops, Euro shops. There's a big one here. You can buy everything you could ever think of for your home or whatever in the Euro shop. So lots of people here, plus the supermarket. And across the road there, we've got a really nice coffee shop, which me and Susan, last year in the film, we had a coffee there. Nice Ukrainian lady was running it. Very, very pleasant. And there's estate agents and some nice shops here as well. So this is actually quite a really busy area. And we've got friends who've got apartments around here, and it's really good because they can come and have a coffee, do a bit of shopping without going too far, which is really, really good. It isn't all dead in Sunny Beach in the winter. There are bits of life like this. There you go. Okay, so behind me is quite a nice modern row of shops. There you go. Property agent. There's a couple of nice clothing shops. Very nice coffee shop, which last year in the filming me and Susan had coffee in there. It was very, very nice. There you go. It's an up and coming area, but it's always busy because of all the new apartments in this zone here the last couple of years. If you're looking to rent or buy an apartment here, it's a good area because it's busy all year round, and you have got shops and facilities local to you. You haven't got to walk very far or get in a car, so it's quite a good area. So 10 minutes from our apartment as well. We're not far from here. About a 10-minute walk, really. Not bad at all. And so being in Tarantula is really good. It's busy, you've got shops. And we've got coffee shops, all sorts of things running here, which is really nice. Well, as it's Saturday, I'm going to move the car, go to the central area, have a look down Flower Street and the beach, just see what's happening. It'll be fairly quiet down there now because it's been raining. It's been raining this week. It hasn't got that feel it had a week ago when it was really bright and really pleasant. Felt like September. Does feel a bit more like autumn now, but I'm going to move the car up, have a look down there, see what's happening. Flower Street feels completely different. I've just parked up by Bistro Billy's, 2 minutes away, walked on here, and the final businesses that were trading, just a couple of days ago really, the little shop opposite me there, the bakery, have gone now. There you go. Feels like winter, even though it's not cold. It's overcast, but it's not really cold. But there's absolutely nothing left now. Isn't that a shame? Can't even get a cup of coffee or anything now, can you? Or a pastry on Flower Street. But never mind, as I just showed you a few minutes ago, there's busy areas away from the front where people are actually living. It's just these tourist zones. There's just nobody about here, of course, at all. What a shame. But then it's winter. It's November. What do you expect? What a transformation. Just a few days ago I was filming with the drone here. On Monday, this is Saturday, but on Monday, fantastic sunshine in a t-shirt. Oh, a blue sea, it was absolutely amazing. Now look at the sky behind Vlas, behind the mountains there. Really threatening, looks absolutely horrible, although the forecast is better for tomorrow. But that doesn't look very nice at all for the evenings. I think I'll be at home with a brandy. Editing a bit of video. Oh, that does look, winter's on its way, of course. There's no getting away from it when it is November. I mean, there's no moaning now at this time, is there? So anyway, I'm going to put the drone up again. I'm going to do a bit of the seafront here, the sea again. Just for the start of the video. You'd have seen it at the start. Fantastic, isn't it? So anyway, it's ciao ciao for now. See you again later. Well, thanks for watching right to the end. What a contrast from the previous two videos where we had sunshine. It was absolutely amazing. It's more like autumn today, filming this one. But it's nice to get away from the beach, show you something a little bit further back in the resort. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be filming right the way through to your holidays in 2026, showing you lots of improvements and changes in Sunny Beach. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell.